So a while ago, I have explained to you the words that you need to familiarize when we're dealing with business mathematics, no? So ako nag-explain ito kung sa mga words, and today we are going to apply the formulas that I have showed you by completing this table. Okay, so I'm going to present to you 5 examples and just watch and learn. In dealing with simple interest, we are going to have five or more formulas, which you can see here in my right side. We are going to apply all these formulas in order for us to answer our 5 problems. So here we have example number 1. So today we are going to try and complete the table. So what you can see, I only showed you 1. No, so natay 5 ka problems, isa-isahon nato ni siya og explain. Actually, na siya sa inyong module kung giunsa ang process, but I'm going to show you para mas masabtan ninyo and with explanation. Okay, so natay principal nga 500,000 pesos. Okay? Human kaning 500,000 pesos nga imong gibutang ba karon or imong gihiram or giutang, na siya interest rate nga 12.5%. Okay, so wala ka kabalo kung pila ang amount sa imong interest. All we know right now is the interest rate, which is 12.5%. And then, time na mo siyang invest or mo siyang gihiram, no, na mauli nimo siya dapat is within 10 years. So, ang pangutana, pila ba ang simple interest sa imong gihiram or gi-invest? And then, pila ang imuhang makubra or imong ibayad pagkahuman. That is your future value or F. So, using these formulas, we are going to solve for IS and our F. Okay? So, diretso na ta. So, naatay, sa kanina problem, naatay P. So, naatay available si P, available si R, o available si T. Gipangita nato si IS. So in this case, unsa tong gamiton nga formula? Okay? The answer is the first formula. So atong gipangita si IS given si P, given si R, ug given si T. So ato ni siya magiton. So IS, or simple interest, is equal to P, atong i-substitute, no? So you have P, R, and T. So, atong i-substitute si P, that is 500,000. I-multiply nato sa imuhang rate o sa imuhang time. Karon timan ini siya ha, take note. Ang imuhang rate, no, naka-percent na siya nga form. Kinahanglan sa nga i-divide nato siya by 100 before nato siya ibutang sa imuhang formula. So, let's divide this first by 100. This is 12.5% divided by 100. Your rate is now 0.125. So, yung anak siya, timanin siya nga process. Kailangan siya i-divide og 100 ang imuhang rate nga percentage form before nimo siya gamiton sa imuhang formula. So, karon na natin value, atong ibalhin na karon dinhi. So, R now is 0.125. So, 0.125. I-times nato kay T, which is 10 years. So, nana siya para inyong value. So, kayo lang yung kaayo, i-input lang tanan sa inyong calculator, pagkahuman, i-equals, and then your answer would be, okay, 625,000 pesos. So, muna siya karon ang imuhang interest na value, simple interest na value. So, muna siya ang tubuon sa imuhang original na kwarta nga 500,000. Karon pila man after 10 years with this interest rate, pila ang itubo na jud total. Kung nanghiram ka, pila imong ibayad pabalik. So, what we're going to do is we are going to apply the second formula. F is equal to IS plus T, or vice versa. Okay, so let's have F is equal to P plus IS. So, i-add lang nato, sa yun lang kayo, i-add lang nato ang imuhang principal o ang imuhang interest, which is ato nakita na kaganina. Okay, so this is 500,000. I-add na to sa inyong 625,000 nga atong gi-compute kaganina. Pagkahuman, simple add, no? Addition, simply add. So we're going to have 1,125,000 pesos. So that is now your future value. Okay, so let's proceed with our example number 2. Here, sa ato makitaan, wala siya ang principal. Missing siya. So ato siyang pangitaon using the formula. Whereas, ang inyong given are your rate, 2.5%, ang time, which is 4 years, and your simple interest, which is 1,500. So, given ang R, given ang T, and given C, IS. Ang atong ipangita una is ang imuhang P. Unsa nga formula dinhi ang gipangita si P, given si IS, given si R, o given si T. Correct. Our third nga formula, this one. No, so ato na siyang ganito. So we have P is equal to IS over R times T. Remember, sa kung ganyan kaganina, ato sa siyang i-divide ang imong percent form nga rate into decimal point. So, R is equal to 2.5% divided by 100. And the answer now is 0.025. Okay? Let's proceed. Ato siyang i-substitute ang inyong IS. IS is 1.5 over your rate, which is 0.025. I-multiply natin siya sa inyong time, which is 4. And then, using your calculators, do the following operations. So, now 1,500, kani siya, i-multiply sa 4, that is going to be 0.1. And then, 1,500 divided by 0.1. Your final answer for principal is now 15,000 pesos. So, kani siya, muna rin mong answer din na. Okay? Let's proceed with your future value. Okay? Wala po na siya, di ba? Hindi pangita po na ito ang future value. So, we are going to use the same nga formula. F is equal to P plus IS. So, F is equal to P, or principal, plus your simple interest. Okay? So, we have now your P. P is equal to, itong isong pagwala, which is 15,000 pesos. Atong i-add sa imuhang IS, which is 1,500. Our future value now is 16,500 pesos. Do not forget your peso sign because we are dealing with money. Okay, so that is your answer to your last blank on the table. So let's proceed now to our example number 3. Now this time, our question mark or ang atong ipangita is si rate and still si future value. Ang ato ang given kay si principal, which is 36,000 pesos. We have time, which is 1 year and 6 months. And our simple interest, which is 4,860. So, muna ang ato ang mga given nga values. So, karon atong isolve, no? Kung saan na to or pila ba ang iyang interest rate o kung pila ang inyong future value. So, asa diri sa atong formulas nga gipangita si rate, given si IS, given si principal, and given si time. Asa din ha? Correct. It's the last formula, which is R is equal to IS over P times T. Okay? So, karon ato na siyang gamito ng formula para makita natin na si rate. So let us substitute your values. Your IS is 4,860. No? Divide na to kay principal, which is 36,000. Tapos ato siyang i-times sa imong time. Karon timaan nato ni siya. Your time should always be in years. Now, what are we going to do if we have months? So, ang months, i-convert sa nato siya into year. How? So, karon ato sa siyang i-convert. Naman nato si 6 months. So, si 6 months, atong i-divide sa pila ka months ang imong isa ka year? 12. So, i-divide nato siya sa 12 para mahimo siyang year. Diba? Ma-convert siya into year. So, matanggal na siya. 6 divided by 12, that is going to be 0.5. So, 0.5 year. Okay? So, dinata. Atong ipuli karon sa imuhang 0.5 year plus ang imuhang 1 year kanina. So, this is going to be 1.5. Dimani ha? 6 months, 1 year, and 6 months man siya. So, ato na siyang i-add sa 1 year kaganina. That's why your final time is going to be 1.5 years. Alright? So, there ta. Balik ta. So, this is 4,860. No? 36,000. I-times na to sa imuhang 1.5. Use your calculators. The answer is 54,000 pesos. Okay? Is i-divide nato sa 4,860, divide nato sa imong 54,000. Okay, use your calculators. Your answer is 0.09. Tama. So 0.09 ang ato ang rate, no? So kung ato napansin kanina, dapat no kasagaran ang gamiton nga rate is percentage, no? So naka-percent siya, naka-percent form. So atong buhaton is kani siya ato nang i-times sa 100. Alright? So ang final answer nato nga rate is pwede kani or 9%. So your interest rate is 9%. Karon we are going to find your F. So same lang gyapon atong gamiton nga formula. F is equal to P plus your IS. So P is 36,000 plus IS, which is 4,860. No? So ang final nato nga future value is ila 40,860 pesos. So, mo na siya ang ato ang answer. Okay? Let's proceed to our example number 4. Here we are presented with another problem. No? However, we already have our principal, which is 250,000 pesos. We have our rate, which is 0.5%. We are looking for time, so that is question mark. And we have our simple interest, which is 1,400 pesos. Our future value is asked in the problem as well. So, we are going to choose which formula no atong gamiton. So, asa nga formula atong gamiton nga gipangita sa time, naa ang principal, naa ang R, ang rate, o ang naa ang simple interest or IS. So, as what we can see, we can use the fourth formula. So, we have T is equal to I over S over P times R. So, let us substitute. We have IS, which is 1,400 pesos, divided by P, which is 250,000 pesos, multiplied by our rate here, which is we are going to convert first. So 0.5% divided by 100. This is going to be 0.005. And then substitute 0.005. So, i-multiply sa natin yung silang duhadaan. So, we have 1/4 divided by multiplication ani, no? Bilang duha, pagkauman, the answer would be 1,250 pesos. After that, we are going to divide two of them, and the answer is 1.12. So this is your time. 1.12, remember, time should always be expressed in years. So muna siya ang atuang answer, then no problem. Okay, let's proceed with our feature value. Same gihap atong gamiton ng formula. F is equal to P plus IS. P is 250,000 plus IS, which is 1,400. Our feature value, therefore, is 251,400 pesos. So, muna siya ang atuang feature value. So, lastly, we are going to proceed with our problem number 5. In this case, we are going to have this problem right here, or given right here. So, we have principal, which is 10,000, we have rate, which is 4%, and we have time, which is 5 months. So, we are looking for our IS, or simple interest, and our feature value, which is F. Therefore, our next step is to choose a formula for our first problem, which is finding the simple interest. So, you have P, you have R, you have T, you're looking for IS. Which one would you choose? Correct. It's the first formula. IS is equal to P, R, and T. But before we proceed to our substitution, ato sa siyang i-convert into decimal, and this one also we are going to convert into years. Sa inyong problem, or sa inyong module rather, is ang iyang higan is 5/12, which is fine. It's a fractional form. But here, we are going to use the decimal form. So, ato i-divide ang 5 divided by 12. Okay? So, here, we are going to have 4 divided by 100. This is going to be 0.04. Ato ang R. And for our time, we are going to have 5/12. 5 months divided by 12 months is going to be 4.417. Okay? Years. So, this is your time now. So, pwede na siya. Next, we are going to substitute all the values. So, we have P, which is 10,000. Multiplied by our rate, which is 0.04. Then we are going to substitute also our time, which is 0.417. Use our calculators and input. Multiplication niya, P times R times T. So our final answer would be 166.8 pesos. So, sa inyong sa inyong module na iligas gamay sa centavos na part, well, that's totally fine. It's okay. Kaya lahi man ang atong process or lahi ato ang gigamit na T value. So, ginagmay na po na siyang aligas. Okay. Let's proceed with our feature value. Same formula, F is equal to IS plus P, or pwede baliktad, pwede mag-interchange. So, this is going to be 166.8 plus P, which is 10,000 pesos. Our final na feature value is 10,166.80 pesos. So, ano siya? No? So, nga na paggamit sa formulas. No? Nga ni paggamit sa formulas, once we are facing problems like this one, na i-complete ang ato ang table. So, sa completing the table, sayo lang siya kaayo kay given na directly. No? Gihatag na diretsyo ang imuhang mga values sa imuhang mga variables, sa imong P, sa imong R, sa T, sa IS, sa F. No? Given na siya diretsyo. However, in our next video is we're going to discuss how to solve word problems. No, ang word problems, we all know na kinahanglan siya ang dugang na analysis because you need to understand the problem first before you are going to proceed in choosing the formula and proceeding with the next parts of the solution. So that is going to be the content of our next video. So for today, that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Camp Paggy Vlogs. See you!